Hi, I'm Ashley DeAngelis, and this is my video upload on animal coverings. Since I am currently working as a full-time paraprofessional and working on my Practicum 2, I was able to teach my lesson on animal coverings to the class. I had done this lesson about a week or two, and it seemed to work very well and was very successful in the classroom. I'm going to explain to you the lesson that I conducted in the class. I had everyone at first sit down on the carpet. Once each of the students were sitting on the carpet, I had read to them Animal Coverings. Animal Coverings was written by Kira Freed. I went through the book and stopped at each page. For example, I had read We Have Scales. Once I had read this, I had asked the students to tell me what animals they were. Once the students told me what animals they were, we went through what type of covering they had. I so on went to the next page and the page after that. Once I had finished the book, I had the students continue to stay on the carpet. I had this chart paper called Animal Coverings made for them. However, I did not have the pictures presented on the chart. The only thing that was on the chart was the group title. And the group titles were Scales, Feathers, Armor, Scales, and Fur. I had the pictures already colored and cut in my hands. What I had the students do was to raise their hands and I would give them a picture. They would tell me what the picture is, and what type of group would the picture be in. So, for example, I would give a student a picture of the fish. They would tell me it was a fish. I would glue it, and they would paste it under Scales. They would tell me what group it would be in. After the chart was complete, before the students returned to their seats, I'd give them the directions for the current activity that would be to be followed. Group 1 was to take out their science notebooks and to draw a picture of their favorite animal and the animal covering it has. They would label their picture. Group 2, they would also take out their science notebooks and they were to write one sentence on their favorite animal. Group 3 would also take out their science notebooks, draw a picture, but they were to write 3 to 4 sentences explaining what type of animal and covering they have and why this was their favorite animal. At the end of the lesson, I would have the students take their notebooks and return to the carpet. I would ask each student to share their work with the class. After the lesson was over, they would return to the seats and put their books away. The lesson seemed to be very successful, and the students liked to and was very eager to learn about the animal coverings. This is the end of my video. Thank you.